In this short tutorial, I will show you how to turn off screen mirroring on your iPhone. Screen mirroring allows you to display your iPhone screen on another device, like a TV or computer. Sometimes, you may want to stop screen mirroring for privacy or when you're finished sharing content. To get started, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to access the Control Center. Then look for the screen mirroring icon. Once you've found it, tap on the icon to open the screen mirroring menu. Here, you will see the device name that is currently connected. Simply tap Stop Mirroring, and your iPhone screen will no longer be displayed on the other device. If you want to completely turn off screen mirroring on your iPhone and make sure it doesn't automatically connect to another device, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap General. After that, scroll down a bit, and tap AirPlay and Continuity. Then tap Automatically AirPlay. And then select Never. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.